Hey, well, hello guys. Look what we riding in today. Me and the boss man.
We're driving a Bigfoot truck.
Yeah. Whew. And the guy that's driving under the hood can't drive worth a shit, but
Don't say anything for him.
I'm just messing around. They know I'm joking. No, seriously guys, what happened? The damn fuel pump went out on us. Boss man was putting windshield fluid in the truck here. Went to start it back up and the fuel pump went out on us. So boss man had to call Buddy that's got a towing service. Come and get us. Look how bouncy. God, we all over the place. The train's going. I gotta roll this window up. There we go.
Look at that key off.
Cut her off. You know how to cut it off? Hold the brake, I think. You got it? Why is the stereo still on? Oh, okay. All them lights are off. All right. Okay. Yeah, so you guys can hear. Me too. You guys can hear the old truck. We can't see it wherever it is. Can you? It's a nice looking truck, but I think it might need a sound system on it. Some tailpipes.